Have you ever felt like your dreams of homeownership or financial freedom are being thwarted by a poor credit score? Do you find yourself constantly worrying about the 3-digit number that seems to control so many aspects of your life? Understanding your credit score. Your credit score, that crucial figure that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness, has a profound impact on your financial life. It influences your ability to secure a mortgage, get approved for loans, and even negotiate better interest rates on your credit cards. Having a good credit score can open doors, whereas a poor credit score can close them. But the good news is improving your credit score isn't an impossible feat. By adhering to 3 key strategies, you can take the reins of your financial destiny and elevate your credit score. Analyzing your credit reports. The first step towards enhancing your credit score is gaining a comprehensive understanding of your credit situation. This begins with meticulously reviewing your credit reports from the 3 primal national credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. These reports offer a detailed overview of your credit history, encapsulating elements like open accounts, balances, payment history, and any items such as late payments or collections. Managing credit utilization. The second strategy involves managing your credit utilization, which is essentially the proportion of your credit card balances to your credit limits. A high credit utilization can be harmful to your credit score. Strive to maintain your credit utilization below 30% to exhibit responsible credit usage. Clearing delinquent accounts. The third and crucial step is to clear any delinquent account balances. Delinquent accounts encompassing late payments, collections, and charge-offs can significantly damage your credit score. Formulate a plan to pay off these balances and settle any outstanding debts, thereby demonstrating your commitment to financial responsibility. Remember that maintaining a good credit score is a continuous process. It requires constant vigilance and responsible financial behavior. Start today, because every small step you take towards improving your credit health counts. Stay patient, stay diligent, and watch your credit score grow. If you're looking for more help on how to get your dream home, please reach out to me, Miguel Garanza, with RE/MAX Platinum, Team Callan.